Hi, welcome to an unboxing from Tom. And what have we got today? What's Tuffy's little prize today?
Let's see, mate.
Let's see. Open it for me, mate.
Yeah.
Got my mate round to unbox it at the doorstep, so in the snow. Yes, don't forget. Yeah, when you buy from European now, there's a tax you have to pay.
UK.
From UK.
No, from Germany to UK.
You
pay for import tax for £60.
60 quid. So
yeah.
be aware of that now, lads.
Yeah, that's why.
Better buy from British.
I thought we got a good deal, but no.
You get a good deal, your sound's good, but then they whack on the tax. See? Big surprises come in small packages.
Yeah, let's open this.
There's before the COVID. Look at this, what we got. Here it comes. It is
a Harley Benton Block 800B.
Bass, 800
bass
watts.
Head, bass amp head.
There's been a lot of good reviews about these.
Yeah.
We can't try it now because we're out in the cold, but
it's just unboxing. Well, a lot of people have done this, but we just want to show you, because we're happy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! There he is.
There she is. The degradable. Heavy?
Not really that heavy.
We're not. We just thought we don't need a lot of effects on this. Just need the power.
Oh, look at that! Yeah, the knobs are plasticky. Looks, yeah, it's plastic.
Chicken head knobs, isn't they, or something? That looks really cool.
Can I show you, please?
No.
Yeah. So Harley Benton.
What's at the back?
Gonna
Have
be
a look at the back.
You got two speakers.
Oh yes, yeah, you got
two speaker now.
Yeah.
So left and right, and send, return, power.
You got a lot of power there,
yeah.
And it's 4 ohms, minimum load 4 ohms. So you could put minimum. So you can put 8 on that. Turn her around. Let's have a look at the front. You got a DI in, and you got headphones. You got line in. You got wow. You got a high and a low. Now you got a tuner out as well. Nothing's look. What we're here talking here today, guys, is we do not need loads of effects.
Yeah, how heavy that is, man.
We just need just the sound.
Yeah.
We have Fender. It's nice and weighty, so we know we're going to get some good strong power out of this. And yeah, she's got a lot of stuff on it. It looks nice. You got your DI, you got lift and your gain, grand, pre-post. You got lining so you can put in
music, MP3.
Music, MP3. You got headphones. You got a mute. You even got a mute switch.
Oh, that's nice.
And you got an off and on there, high, low, clip, everything you need.
Yeah.
That you won't need nothing else.
I'm gonna try it at home and then gonna let you know what's the sounds like, man.
Yeah.
Or I'm gonna do it on Messenger with you.
Yeah.
Anyway, just
peace out.
Thanks, man.
Harley Benton, peace out, bass amp.
button. High and low. Low. Master. Treble. Repose lip.